believe it's only 1:30. So here we are in Asakusa. My name is Dan McCray. I'm about to show you the most amazing drink in Japan. So it's called Mitsuya Cider. Come have a look. But it's just not any regular Mitsuya Cider. The thing about this one is that, come here, look up. It is -5 degrees. So this is only in some vending machines around Japan. Like this is literally only one of 2 vending machines that I've come across during our trip so far. Or maybe, to be honest, I haven't paid attention. But anyways, this is a cheap one as well. It's only 130. So here we go. I'll show you why it's different. So here we go, 130. Let's put it in. Let's grab one. So you can see already it's solidifying, and it's because I just chucked it around a little bit, but it becomes a slushy. So, oh yeah, come, don't be scared. Gee, I can. Look at that! Look at that! Have it.
Just a reminder not to shake
Just
it.
don't shake it like me, okay? Oh my gosh, but it's refreshing, right? Do you see the ice coming out of that thing? Alright, cut. Right. Should we do it again? Alright. Today's the next day. I'm wearing the exact same thing. I mean what? No, it's the same day. We just found a different vending machine. Okay, so here, it's actually 120 here. So this is the second vending machine that we've seen with this drink. The famous Mitsuya Cider that is...
it doesn't take 5 cents.
Hang on. Cut for a sec. What was that shit? You didn't pause, did you? Alright. Do we even have a 10?
I just gave you one.
What? Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. Alright, so here we go. We're waiting for this. Alright. I was joking yesterday, it wasn't that cold to hold, so I won't shake it up this time. So, it just looks like a normal drink, yeah? You can see how clear it is. Believe me, it's clear. Yeah? Okay, here's the moment of truth. We're going to open it up and have a look at what happens. Look at that. Look at that. It just solidifies into, you can see the icy particles there. You see that, yeah? Mm-hmm. So should I give it a bit of a tap? Bit of a tap. Okay. I know you're making sounds in your head. I'm gonna shake it on now. Oh, look at it. Look what happens. Can you see that? Oh, it's like foggy. It's kind of foggy. Let me check that. Shut up. Look at that. Mmm.
Cut.
Alright. Are you still recording?
How are you gonna end it for your
Stop.
YouTube?
Alright, that was a 15
Friends.
out of 10, obviously, so it scores 150%. Don't subscribe, just drink Mitsuya Cider, okay? That will give me the money that I don't actually deserve, and I'm not even paid by Mitsuya Cider, so I don't even know what I'm saying. Just
Like, subscribe, and comment. Don't freaking do that.
piss off. Alright, see ya. Yeah.
We missed our flight.
Are you still recording? Oh my god, stop.
Let's go.
Before you, this is the face of realizing you missed your flight. You happy about that? Why are you happy about that? Okay, yeah, that's more like it. And then once you have Mitsuya Cider, all this swelling.
It doesn't taste good until you go.
No, whatever.